Gamer Crave, baby. We're back. Today we're gonna be trying some beef jerky.
All different kinds.
You got this from Aldi?
Some of it was from Aldi's, and some of it was from Ollies.
Alright. So we have
That's from Ollies.
smoked flavor added beef jerky. Teriyaki Balboa. So it's like Rocky.
Yep.
Tangy teriyaki with a punch of pepper. What's the branding on it? RF?
Righteous.
Fellon?
Yeah, Fellon.
Righteous Fellon. That's different. What do we got over here? Righteous Fellon.
The OG.
The OG! Hickory. Smoky and savory OG classic. Yeah, we love our OGs on Video Game XD. And then we have these
From Aldi's.
Simply Nature.
Yeah.
Organic peppered beef jerky. 100% grass-fed beef. Got this here. We got the nutrition facts on the back here. If you guys can see it.
Like, you want to show the nutrition facts on those?
Yeah, it's just a little hard to read. I don't know, is it just me or does it feel like stuff from Aldi's way healthier for you? Or is that just my imagination?
Some of it just depends on what you get.
And we have teriyaki beef jerky from Simply Nature here. So we're going to tell you guys if these are good, if you should pick them up. I know a lot of people go to Aldi. You might be wondering, are these good? Yeah. Well, we're here to tell you.
And just so you guys know, you will always be able to find these at Aldi's. These at Ollies, they're not always going to be there. I mean, no. Ollies just get stuff in, and then once it's gone, it's gone. So this is not something that you might find at your location, you might not. They just get random stuff in.
So what do you want to do first?
I just want to open this up the most cleanest way. Let's do the teriyaki Balboa.
Rocky Balboa, baby.
I'm just gonna try not to rip it too much.
I've been wanting to eat these for a minute. He's been at work and I've been home all day. I'm like, bro, I'm about to eat these beef jerky sticks. Like, no, we gotta save that for Gamer Crave.
Let's do a smell test.
Balboa, baby. Check it out. Smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
That's good.
It is good.
That's good. How much was that?
$2.99.
Not bad. Damn.
I do taste the tanginess of the teriyaki with a punch of pepper.
Spicy.
That's exactly what it is. It's tangy teriyaki with a punch of pepper. You taste it. It's good.
I'm giving this like a 10. I give that a 10.
Well, let's do the OG Hickory. The smoky and savory OG classic.
What would you rate that though? I'm going 10.
Yeah, I would say 10.
That's good. A little spicy, but I like it. I like it a lot.
So let's give it a sniff. So this is just your standard.
we go.
Oh wow. That is delicious.
I have these at Aldi. I gotta buy more of this.
Ollies.
Ollies.
Not Aldi's, Ollies.
Good stuff, cheese. Damn, that's pretty good.
That is good. It's really easy to chew. It's really good. You taste the smoky and savory for sure.
I'm impressed.
Yeah. It's good. That's some good beef jerky.
This is better than Walmart. The shit at Walmart.
Yeah. Do the pepper.
That ain't bad though. $3. Most beef jerky is way too expensive these days. They need to lower that.
I don't know what the price is for this. Smell test. This is pepper, so this might be.
I don't like the smell of this as much.
This is good.
You like it?
I like pepper. I think the other one tastes better. Which is a little better, but it's
okay.
still good.
Alright.
I give it like an 8 out of 10. It's good. But the other to me is better.
I give that like a 6. I don't like that as much.
The texture of the beef jerky is just better on that one. It's different.
I like this. The other one's better.
Yeah.
I'll try out this one next. Yeah, I don't like that one as much. I don't like the smell as much either. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It's just like compared to the other ones, it doesn't taste as good to me. Okay. This one's a little bit better to me.
I mean, I like them all. I think this is still good. I give these 8 out of 10.
I rate it like a 6. It's okay.
But the other ones, I get 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I think this one. I believe this one. This one's like a 10. I think it was this one or this one. But one of these is at least a 10. And the other one was like a 9. So these are my favorite. My opinion. These are fucking good. These are must. These I would give like a 6, but he gives them an 8.
I like them.
But they're all pretty good though.
Yeah. I would eat them all. I've had all these beef jerky before. One more taste.
We're about to eat the whole pack tonight.
This is good. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see, but that's kind of,
Looks like a dog bone.
it's good. The texture's different.
I'm going to my Aldi to buy some of these.
Big-
Ollies.
Like you can see the seasoning on it. So here's the Oldies. You can kind of just see what it looks like. Like this doesn't have like the seasoning on it like the other one. The other actually Like you can kind of like shake the seasoning off. It's different. But this is your Aldi's version.
Well, yeah, I would say check these out. Your local Ollies. The other ones might be from Aldi.
This is from Aldi's.
You bought them.
This is Aldi's.
Very good.
They're all solid.
No cheat. That was Gamer Crave. Stay tuned for more episodes of Gamer Crave on Video Game XD. See you next time.